Jeremy from Gears Direct here. Today we're going to fix the classic Hunt Boston Model 18. If your sharpener's motor is running but the blades aren't spinning, it usually means the gear inside has failed. The good news is it's an easy fix. Let's get started. First we're going to remove the shavings drawer and empty it. Next, flip the sharpener over. You'll see 3 Phillips head screws. We'll just unscrew those. Once those are out, the casing should separate easily. Remove the 2 screw bolts holding the motor to the rest of the assembly to remove the motor and get access to the main gear. We will pry this old one off the shaft. Now we'll take our new upgraded gear from Gears Direct. Just line it up with the shaft and press it on firmly until it clicks into place. Now we just do everything in reverse. We'll place the main motor assembly back inside the top cover, reinstall the bottom cover, making sure everything lines up, and then we'll put our 3 screws back in, and just like that, the repair is done.